Good morning and welcome back to the channel. I'm down here in Daytona Beach with the family and we are here for a week. But on the way down here we decided we'd stop at a like a pop-up yard sale and see what they had for us. And that is the footage you're about to see, so I hope you enjoy.
But if you go through Benson and you go through a little town called Coates.
There's some shoes there. I don't know if...
get to the next little town called Bowie's Creek.
Dad, is that a cornucopia?
That is correct.
Is a college called Campbell University.
Yep.
I've heard about that.
Have you? How you doing? You closing up shop?
Yeah.
See anything you want before she puts everything up?
Good deal on anything.
Did you sell anything this morning?
Yeah, I made pretty good money today.
Oh, we're good.
Okay. Could have went around that way, Mama.
It's okay, baby.
Mama, did you see the donkey? Look at it.
How much are these pool filters?
$1.
$1. They're all the same, yeah.
Yeah, they're the same.
I'll take all 3 of those.
All right.
See if I see anything else.
Okay.
Let's see what we got over here. Never know what's in a box.
That's right.
That's still in good shape. The foam isn't even falling apart in it. How about your hat?
$1. Anything in that box is $1.
You got my kind of prices.
Yeah. That's how you make money.
It's a yard sale, right?
Yeah. People are like pricey and it's like, come on now.
Yeah. Some are. You'd be surprised.
Think about it. You actually make more money when everything's $1.
Oh yeah.
Because people are actually getting
People are buying. Yep. What model is this?
How much is it?
I had to clean that up.
Daddy,
Yeah, baby.
you said 2 for $1, right?
Yes.
So that means this is 50 cents.
Yes. But if you get two, it's $1.
Yeah.
If you buy one, it's $1. If you get 2, it's $1.
If I buy one, it's $1?
Yep.
Anything in those baskets is $1.
All right.
Wait, what?
Yeah, it's 2 for $1.
So then this is...
She didn't say 2 for $1 or 50 cents each. She said 2 for $1. So you get 2, you pay $1. You got it? You want to pick out another movie? What else is in here? That World War Z? You ever watch that? It'd probably freak you out. They're the fastest zombies ever.
Oh, it's zombies? I'll be fine.
There's Seabiscuit.
If it's zombies, I'll be fine.
I don't think she has seen Seabiscuit.
Here, we'll get these 2. How about that? Hold that. All right. We got 3, 4, 5. Easy enough. Got 5. There you go.
So much.
Thank you. Yeah, if you got one, I'll take it. We had big Marshall's bags in the truck, but didn't even think about getting them out. Hold that. All right. Well, it ain't gonna go in there. I'll just hold this.
I thought zombies were dumb. I didn't know they could fly.
And that
No, that movie, them zombies are wide open. I don't know if you can.
okay.
Thank you.
Why the waste? Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water with reusable Eco Pad.
How much for your DVD? How much for your DVD player
That
there?
DVD player is $10.
All right.
Either one, I got that one or that one. That's playing now. Got that on here. TV.
Oh, that goes down. Okay, I was like,
I'm just watching my store.
I was like, what's this remote go to? I buy remotes all the time.
Yeah.
I take and sell them on eBay. People pay $10 to $20 for a replacement remote. You
I
know.
know, because when I have these TVs and stuff like that, people say, you got a remote?
Yep.
I said, no, not
Well,
really.
you think about it. You got to go to Walmart to get a universal. And it's going to cost you $10 or $15. You know. They'd rather have. I can put that model number up there, and then they can look it up for their TV.
The code and
Yep. And most time at thrift stores, you get them for like 50 cents or $1. I mean, you ship it for like $4.
Yeah.
You ain't gonna make but $5, but it's $5 I didn't have. Yep. Yep. What? I don't know. I'm thinking. How much is that?
$10.
Ah, binoculars. Model is that? School Pro.
This thing is brand new and never.
It looks like it's brand new. It's still got the packaging all in it. Yes, you do. Here's the old Wii's. How much for the two Wii's?
$50. The Wii, the remote.
50 for all those that come with it.
$50.
Let me see those shoes. All right, I'm thinking.
Yeah, he was originally going to sell us, but they were dirty and part of the license, so he couldn't sell it. And so he asked me if I wanted
Are these 5?
Yeah.
Thinking. Do you mind if I plug it in over there to make sure they turn on? All right. That post is about had it. Somebody needs to work on that thing. Yeah. All right. Would you do 60 for those, that pair of shoes and that sharpener? That's only $5 off. But you were at 50, 55, 65. Would you do 60 for all of it?
Yeah.
I'll do 60.
Yeah.
All right.
Go ahead, Mike.
Yeah. There you go. All right. Thank you. Let me grab. Yeah, I got to grab all this stuff. All right.
Can't get here because I'm going to block it.
Ain't really seeing nothing else is tickling my fancy.
$5.
All right.
And the big ones are $10. And my cards are $1.
And I'll pay
Okay.
you forward.
And the movies are 50 cents.
Okay.
Yeah, she
All
is
my
never.
costume jewelry are $1.
All right. Tracks? How much are your 8 tracks?
Well, the only thing about it is that, like,
Are you selling the case or just the cassettes?
well, like, I sell the cassettes for $2 a piece.
Mm-hmm.
And I like, well, here's the thing about it, like, this real works.
Yeah.
It works.
Yep.
Like, it's AM and FM and
Uh-huh.
8 track.
That's it,
Wow.
thing.
And like, I'll take $40 for that. All the tapes and like it's got Elvis in it. It's got Elvis in it. And like I just found out today that a boxcar with Willie Nelson.
Oh yeah.
I just have even.
You said you sell all of it together?
for $40. And like if you don't believe me that it worked like.
All right. Well, let me go see if this works right quick. All right. Because I imagine it does because the battery compartment's super clean in it too.
I got that
But-
yesterday.
Really?
Like,
Where'd you pick it up at? A thrift store or something? Really? I go to thrift stores all the time looking for stuff like this. I know this one here works.
and plus you can put a virus in this too.
Yeah. Yeah. So I opened the battery compartment. It's nice and clean. Turn that thing down some. It ain't wide open. All right. Radio. It's on tape right now, so we should be able to put one in there.
Okay.
Yeah. There it goes. Yeah, it's working.
So I'm just trying to hold on. I don't wanna know what it's like.
You want?
Yeah, we'll do that. Y'all done took all my money out here. Did you find some rings or something?
Do you need that?
Oh yeah. Yeah, that goes with it.
Well, yeah.
Yeah. I'll put that in here.
Something like that. We might need a instruction manual.
I think I can figure it out. All right. So
Oh, what you
42.
got?
What you got? 2
I
rings?
just want
All right. Let's see what I got in here.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
There's 40.
Then we tell the one that's paying them.
Yeah, I don't have 3. Yeah.
Thank you.
All right.
Awesome. Thank you.
Oh, here. You actually owed me 2. I owed you 3.
That's right.
So it's 40 and then 2 and then 1.
Thank you.
Yeah. I want to cheat you out of $1.
It's bad.
Yeah, you take whatever you want. We gotta get out of here. I done spent $100 here today. But that's all right.
Thank y'all very much.
Don't drop that thing. That's our money.
Thank you.
We use this way.
Oh, yeah. True story. Thank you.
All
That's
right.
old style.
All right.
Thank you so much.
Thank y'all very much.
I didn't even look to see if you had anything else I wanted. That was a yard sale that was not even a couple hours from our house. We were on the way down to Florida. That was in Benson, North Carolina. Found a couple of good things there at radios, probably worth about $80 shipped. And those pool filters were probably worth maybe $15 shipped, something like that. But they'll ship first class. But, hoping to get some thrifting footage while I'm down here. Probably have some footage of some other stuff we found in Benson that was really expensive. They were definitely on the high end. You know, they considered their stuff antique more than vintage, and so we didn't buy any of it. But stay tuned for the next video. And if you enjoyed the content, please give it a like and consider subscribing to the channel and hit that notification bell. That way you will be notified every time that I put up new content. Thank you. See you next time.